everyone. This is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel, and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. So hello, good morning everyone. So our day for today is we going out of the city. So I need to go Festa. No, I invited one of my CC. She invited me that I go to their place. So me, I'm free. So go out sometimes because life is too short. Enjoy the life. Even some have problem. So I don't stuck to the house even I have problems. So I go with Ate and Kuya. So our video for today is Festa. So I will try to video what's going on there because it's my first time to join their Festa in their barangay, and the place is kind of what you call that. Remember the other video that we walk in the sugar field? We will go back there. Let's go, baby. Let's try to look at and enjoy. Me, I'm not like, I enjoy whatever I have in my life, and what is my day, that's my day. So I will bring you guys, and everything what happened to my life I will bring you, and let's see. So for now, I'm waiting Ate and Kuya to pick me up. So Sahira is in school, Mommy going to Festa, and Daddy in sleeping, and Mommy in pista. So I'm not stuck. My life is adventurous, even in the simple way. So thank you for watching, guys. See you there. So mo to dito nilang pistahan kato. Oh. Ato to dito sa to. Dire. Dino. Hilong bude jadi pasangan. Okay. Sangat lepas lapang. Ya, jangan boleh nak lagi. Halo. Patapak masih. Hatag. Hatag og tubo dong. Dari kana og dia. So hello guys. So let's go. So guys, nindot kayong sleeper guys. Then lapok, go! Bahala na, bahala wag kabuling, basta pista. So bahala nag-yutik. Basta kinasing-kasing nga pag-imbitar, go! Kaya unsaon man natong kuan, mangimbitar og kuan nya di day kinising-kasing di. So look at. Nag-sleeper ko ani guys kay katong pag-ari namo, katong sa ka-sleeper nako. Naluphan akong tiil. So this is the life in the province. Diri dali ti. Hi. Si mga kawakwak. Wala ka sa kakuan sa kinabuhi.
Sa imong asa ka paingon nakay kuan ba?
Na kay kalingawan lang taon sa sunod ba?
Yan, mahulag sa kadyan.
Maingon diri day kuan ni. Hato. Bisa. Pagari na to gikuan na ba ni Seti? Ini.
Wala pa.
Hari mau tong kamandit sudah benar dola.
Ako may gagawin.
Ano country ba?
Ito, langgay muna. Hoy!
Tayo na tagita ko ng Domingo.
Oh.
Naapon mga tao nga. Ano sa akin? Naapon kay nagbo. Mabisita ka to nilang pag-ail dito.
Oh. Mga bata.
Tao. Panitilit kayo na ala.
Tao, dilikit. Kuman ang baraya. Di ba?
Ako rin ang nakikaya.
Pwede nilabay din. Pa? Kung tubig ba pwede nilabay? Ha? Sa ano? Katumidum ko sa bintoy ba? Naroon. Sa una.
Hi guys! So, thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hocoquera. So, enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye-bye. See you